Hello and welcome. Today we'll be talking about sorting, filtering, and conditional formatting. So, by way of introduction, we say that sorting is the process of arranging or rearranging or reorganizing data in a specific order. This data can be in ascending order or in descending order. That is, it could be from A to Z if the data contains alphabets. It could be from 1 to 100 or whatever the number is if it contains numbers. Now, sorting helps in quickly analyzing and organizing data, such as listing names alphabetically or arranging sales figures from highest to lowest. You can equally have custom sorting where you are in charge, where you are able to put in your own rules, assuming what you have here by default is not working for you. So how do we sort? You go to your data tab, you click on sort. Now a pop-up menu appears. You choose the column that you want to sort. You can, from here, you choose either the city, the age, customer age, assuming it's the ages that you want to sort, or the customer name, or the customer segment, or whatever it is that you want to sort. Let's say we want to sort the city. We want to know, or we want to sort the age. You can click the age, and then you choose the order that you want to sort this by. It could be from smallest to largest, or from largest to smallest, or custom list, like where you put your own rules. If you click on this, now this pop-up menu appears. These are the various rules that we have here already. You can add yours here. After typing yours here, you click on add and you click on OK. Now this is not our interest today, so we say we want to sort from smallest or from largest to smallest. Let's say we want to sort from largest to smallest. You click on largest to smallest and click on OK. Now if you look at this, you see that we have from the largest number down to the smallest number. It's only affected the customer age because we chose the customer age, and as such every other thing had to follow suit. All right, no data was lost. It only rearranged or arranged or organized this data in the order that you chose it to be. Now, next, we talk about filtering. What is the difference between sorting and filtering? Oftentimes they go together. Remember, we said that sorting is a process of arranging or reorganizing or organizing from smallest to highest, or from highest to smallest, or with a particular rule that you have chosen. But when you come to filtering only allows you to display the rows that meet a particular criteria while hiding the rest. For example, you can filter a list of products to show only those that are in stock or belong to a specific category. For the data that we have before us, you can choose to filter just small businesses, and it will just bring out for you businesses that fall within this small business with their customer name, customer age, and the rest of the other information that we have that has fallen under the small business category, and every other thing that you have here will be hidden. Let's check it out. Let's see how we can do this. Now remember, we said we want to filter out the customer segment. Same process. You go to your data tab, you click on filter. Now, what do I want to filter? I want to filter the customer segment. I'll click on this. I just want to filter the small businesses. I just want to see everything that falls under the small business category. I'll uncheck this and I'll just click on the small businesses and I'll click OK. Now, everything I have here is just under the small businesses. Now I can see the cities that are under the small business category, those ages that are under the business category, the names that are under the business that are under this small business category, the discounts, the records, and what have you. All right. Now you can do. There's something we call custom sorting as well. Yeah, you can right click on this, or you can come to this place and you can choose the kind of format filtering that you want. Click on it. Here, sorry, you go to this place here, you choose how you want to sort. Okay, how do I want to sort this? How do I want to filter this? I'll click on custom filter. All right, how do I want it to be? Do I want something that equals to, or does not equal to, or is greater than, or is greater than, or equal to, or is less than? Whichever one it is that I want on this particular small business or any of the other businesses that we have here, I'll click OK. All right, this is called custom filter. I can choose between this and this. I can put in my own rules here. So this is how this works. Next, we talk about conditional formatting. Talk about conditional formatting. What do we mean by conditional formatting? Conditional formatting simply highlights cells that are based, or highlight cells based on their values using either colors, icons, or data bars. For instance, you can automatically highlight all the test scores below 50 in red. This makes it easier to identify trends or identify outliers or specific conditions. I used a test score so that it will help us to understand. In this case, we can choose other priority, or we can choose quantity. All right, we can choose those that are other priority, or better still, let's choose quantity. Now we want to find those quantity that is high, those that are low, and those that did not meet, or those that are at the medium. You highlight this and go to your conditional formatting. Here you can choose this rule or this one, or you can choose to use data bars to differentiate, or to show what you want to show. Okay, you can choose this. Now, just by these bars that we have here, you can see that 45 is higher than 35, 6 is very low. So we can, by looking at this, we can say that this particular city, Fairfield, and this customer that is under the corporate category ordered a very, very small quantity of the products that he came to buy. You can choose whichever side, either you use data bars or you use color scales, whichever one that works for you, or you use this icon. I love this more because it kind of helps show, especially these directionals, it shows a better representation of what I'm doing. Okay, so can use this. Sorry, I have this I should have removed this the color bars behind it. Now I have green here. This green is telling us that 45 is on the high side based on it would base its judgment on the highest quantity that we have. So from this we see that 45 is high, it is green in color. That means that the highest should be either 45 or close to 45. Now 10 is small, very low. These red colors means that it's very low. We have 31 that is pointing, or that is laying flat, which means that this is in the middle. So if we scroll down, we can see these things, and even with the bars that is standing behind it, you can notice that these red ones pointing downwards, they are very low. So we can from here see, okay, this person from this city ordered very, very, very small quantities. these conditional formatting or these bars, you can apply it to any value whatsoever that you choose to apply it on, especially numbers. So with this, we come to the end of this video today. Thank you.